Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Facebook Reels from profile. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the three dots icon maybe on the top right. And in here you will find your profile, tap on it and scroll down to locate to your Reels. So as you can see, this is a reel of mine, and if I want to remove my Facebook reel, what I need to do is just to tap on the three dots on the top right, and here you can choose two options. The first one is you can move it to archive by tapping on move to archive, so it won't be visible in on your news feed. But if you want to delete it forever, you can move it to bin, and it says items in your bin are deleted after 30 days. So if you change your mind, you can just retrieve it within 30 days. So I'm currently tapping on moving to archive. So as you can see, the post is moved to archive, and if I just refresh it and scroll it down, as you can see, my reel is there no more. So yeah, this is how you can remove your Facebook Reels. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.